Welcome back. Well, it's kind of a sad moment for us here at Channel 6. Over the years, I have been able to really get to know Shirley Witt of the Florence Sylvester Senior Center. And I don't even know how many years it's been now that I've known her, along with all the other great people there as well. But it's at that point in time in her life that she's going to be leaving them. And it's sad for all of this.
It is sad.
And of all the kidding I've done with you over the years, and if I still see you after this, I still will, you know, we've had a great time.
We've had a great time. And I just, announcing my retirement,
Yeah.
and, you know, with 20 years with Agewell in the Florence
Wow.
Sylvester, and it's with a heavy heart that I'm leaving. And those of you at TV6 have been so kind and supportive of the Senior Center and of me, and it's been a wonderful, wonderful ride. And I was thinking the other day that I got into this industry because I loved seniors. But I didn't realize that I would fall in love with my job.
And you have.
And I have.
Yes.
And I have. And it's with a heavy heart that I'm going to leave because I need to concentrate on myself and my family. And it's time. And I'm turning over the helm to Cherie. Cherie's been with Agewell over 9 years.
Yeah.
And I've been mentoring her for 4 years.
Yeah.
And she's fabulous. She's going to carry on my legacy, or else I'm coming after her.
That's fine.
And I just want everybody to know that the Senior Center has been phenomenal. And it's because of all of you out there who have supported us and have been kind to us. And I want you to know that the Senior Center will continue its legacy. Cherie's going to be there. She's phenomenal. She's a great leader, and she's going to continue on. So please, please, please continue to support the Senior Center and Cherie with all her hard work.
Well, it's been people like you and Cheryl, of course, and,
Right.
and Cherie, and all the other folks that have made that. And I mean, to the point, it should be your photo up there. It should be the Shirley Witt Senior Center. How, you know, how long have you been coming on here? Did you come on when Rob was here, right?
I have been, I've been 20 years, and I've been coming on for probably 19 years, at least 19 years.
Right.
And it's, you know, because of TV6, is, you know, we're getting the word out about the Senior Center and the good work that we do. And it's been a great relationship with us. It's been a wonderful, wonderful relationship.
Yeah.
And I don't know where 20 years went because I'm only like 37 years old.
Yes, you are.
And so
yes.
I don't get it. I truly don't get it. But I want to thank everybody for their support, for their love, and for their kindness. And I'm going to miss everyone.
And I think it's like you said, you know, you got great staff there. You got great people.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great people. Cherie's a great leader. And please continue.
Yes.
Please continue.
I'm going to miss her in the office.
Yeah, I think everyone will. We'll certainly miss you here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's been a pleasure knowing you and everyone else.
Thank you, Ken.
You know, I certainly hope you come back and
I will.
say
Yeah,
hi
I'll be
and do
back.
that kind of stuff. And
I'll be back. I think I'm gonna stop and apply for a job on my way out and be your weather girl.
Okay.
Okay?
Will you do that? Our sunshine weather girl?
All right, I'll do it.
All right.
Okay.
We were kidding her earlier. She can't wear green because she'll disappear in front of the green screen. But that might be kind of fun. We'll see what happens.
Thank you, Ken.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure having you on. Everyone from the Senior Center.
Thank you.
You folks do great work. I know Cherie does great work, and we're going to be seeing you in a couple weeks or so.
Looking forward to it.
And you know, it'll be sad, but I'm glad we've had you on for all these years, and you have built up that Senior Center. You've done a wonderful job in Agewell in general.
Thank you.
So
Thank you, Ken.
we'll see you back here.
Okay.
We'll
Yeah,
get you. We'll get you here as a weather girl.
Absolutely.
So that'll be fun. All right. We'll be right back.